Driving is the most dangerous thing most of us do every single day. Yet we treat it with a casualness that the physics simply doesn't support. According to road safety studies, more than 90% of car accidents are caused by driver mistakes rather than mechanical failures. A simple mistake like ignoring tire pressure, braking too hard, or shutting off a hot engine too quickly can cost you hundreds or even thousands of dollars over time. Some drivers destroy their brakes before 30,000 miles, wear out their tires twice as fast, or ruin their engine simply because of bad daily habits. In this video, we are going to uncover the biggest driving mistakes that can slowly destroy your car and turn it into scrap before it's time. Let's start with the most common mistake. Mistake number 13, the blind walk-up. This mistake happens before you even touch the door handle. Most people walk to their car looking at their phone. You are not checking your tires for flats, you are not seeing if a cat is napping under your wheel, and you definitely are not checking for that puddle of mysterious green fluid your radiator left as a gift. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, roughly 25% of cars on the road have at least one tire significantly underinflated. This isn't just a minor maintenance footnote. For every 3 psi your tires are below the recommended level, you lose 1% of your fuel economy and increase tire wear by 10%. When a tire is underinflated, the sidewalls flex excessively, generating internal heat that can lead to catastrophic structural failure at high speeds. Therefore, it is recommended to always inspect your car from all sides even before opening the doors. Mistake number 12, flooring the accelerator on a cold engine. One of the worst things you can do to your car is pressing the accelerator hard immediately after starting the engine. When the engine is cold, the oil is still thick and has not fully circulated through the moving parts. That means components like the pistons, crankshaft, bearings, and camshaft are not fully protected yet. If you rev the engine too high in those first few minutes, metal parts rub together harder and wear out faster. Mechanics often say that a large percentage of total engine wear happens during cold starts. This is even worse during winter because cold oil flows much slower. Drivers who constantly floor the accelerator on a cold engine often experience more engine noise, oil burning, poor compression, and shorter engine life. Over time, this habit leads to a blown engine or a seized block that typically cost you $4,000 and are the #1 reason cars are declared scrap. The most effective way to warm a car is to let it idle for 30 seconds and then drive gently for the first 2 miles. Mistake number 11, ignoring warning lights. Many people see a warning light on the dashboard and simply keep driving, hoping it will go away. This is one of the most expensive mistakes you can make. Warning lights are your car's way of begging for help. A check engine light may seem harmless at first, but sometimes it can mean a misfire, bad oxygen sensor, overheating problem, or even low oil pressure. If you ignore a flashing check engine light, you could destroy your catalytic converter, which can cost between $800 and $2,500 to replace. Ignoring an oil pressure warning light can destroy an engine in just a few minutes. Even a battery warning light can leave you stranded unexpectedly. Modern cars are designed to warn you before a problem becomes catastrophic, so ignoring these lights is like ignoring your body's warning signs before a serious illness. Mistake number 10, riding the brakes. One of the worst habits drivers have is keeping their foot lightly on the brake pedal while driving downhill or in traffic. This is called riding the brakes. When you constantly apply slight pressure to the brakes, you generate a huge amount of heat. Excessive heat wears out brake pads, damages rotors, and can even cause brake fade where your brakes become less effective. Replacing brake pads and rotors can easily cost several $100s, and in some vehicles, it can cost over $1,000. Instead of riding the brakes downhill, use engine braking by shifting to a lower gear. In traffic, leave more space so you can coast instead of constantly braking and accelerating.
Mistake number 9, treating speed bumps like suggestions. We have all seen that driver who flies over speed bumps or hits deep potholes at full speed because they are in a rush. While your car has springs and struts to absorb impact, but they have a very specific limit of elasticity. When you hit a significant road hazard at high speed, the kinetic energy transferred into your suspension can exceed 3,000 to 5,000 pounds of force in a millisecond. This doesn't just bounce the car, it bends control arms, snaps tie rods, and collapses strut towers, leading to a vehicle that can no longer hold an alignment. According to AAA, pothole damage alone costs U.S. drivers roughly $3 billion annually. Slowing down isn't just about comfort, it's about preventing a structural failure that renders your car unsteerable. Mistake number 8. Driving with very little fuel in the tank. A lot of people think driving until the fuel light comes on is no big deal, but this habit can quietly destroy your fuel system. The fuel pump sits inside the fuel tank and uses gasoline to keep itself cool. When the tank is nearly empty, the pump is exposed to more heat and can wear out much faster. Fuel pumps are not cheap, and replacing one can cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars on some modern cars. Another problem is that dirt and debris often settle at the bottom of the tank over time. When you keep driving with very low fuel, the pump is more likely to suck up that debris. This can clog the fuel filter, damage injectors, and reduce engine performance. Some drivers even experience stalling or hard starting because of this habit. Keeping at least a quarter tank of fuel is one of the easiest ways to protect your car. Mistake number 7. Shifting from drive to reverse before fully stopping. This is one of the fastest ways to destroy an automatic transmission. Many people quickly shift from drive to reverse while the car is still rolling because they are impatient when parking. The problem is that the transmission is suddenly forced to change directions while the gears are still spinning. That creates a violent shock inside the gearbox. Over time, this damages the clutches, gears, torque converter, and other internal parts. The same problem happens when drivers shift into park before the vehicle completely stops moving. Automatic transmission repairs are among the most expensive repairs a car owner can face. In many vehicles, a full transmission replacement can cost between $3,000 and $7,000, or even more. Waiting just 2 extra seconds for the car to stop completely can save you from a massive repair bill. Mistake number 6. Coasting in neutral to save fuel. There is a common misconception among drivers of both manual and automatic vehicles that shifting into neutral while coasting downhill saves gasoline. In reality, modern vehicles use a system called deceleration fuel cutoff. When you are in gear with your foot off the accelerator, the rolling momentum of the wheels keeps the engine spinning, and the electronic control unit completely shuts off the fuel injectors. If you shift into neutral, the ECU must actually inject fuel to keep the engine from stalling at idle speed. Beyond fuel efficiency, coasting in neutral is a significant safety hazard because it disconnects the engine from the drivetrain that removes your ability to accelerate quickly out of a dangerous situation. Keeping the car in gear is the only way to maintain total mechanical control while maximizing efficiency. Mistake number 4. Mismanaging weight distribution. Many drivers treat their trunks or roof racks like permanent storage units, ignoring the profound impact that weight distribution has on vehicle dynamics. Every 100 pounds of extra weight can reduce your fuel economy by roughly 1%. But the safety implications are far more concerning. Placing heavy items at the very rear of the vehicle or on a roof rack significantly alters the center of gravity and the polar moment of inertia. This shift can cause pendulum effects during high-speed lane changes, where the rear of the car swings out uncontrollably, leading to a spin. Professional fleet drivers are taught to keep heavy loads low and centered between the axles to maintain the neutral handling characteristics designed by the manufacturer. Mistake number 3. Leaving the car in park without the parking brake. A lot of drivers put their automatic car into park and think that is enough to keep the vehicle from moving. What many people do not realize is that the park gear uses a small metal piece called a parking pawl to hold the transmission in place. If you park on a hill without using the parking brake, the entire 3,000 to 5,000 pound weight of the vehicle can rest on that tiny component. Over time, this puts huge stress on the transmission and can damage the parking pawl. Using the parking brake first takes the pressure off the transmission and keeps the car secure.
This is especially important if you often park on slopes or carry heavy loads. Building the habit of using the parking brake every time can help your transmission last much longer and may save you from a very expensive repair bill. Mistake number 2, the turbo cooldown neglect. If you drive a modern car with a small turbocharged engine, you cannot simply turn the key off immediately after a spirited drive or a long highway haul. Inside a turbocharger, the turbine spins at speeds exceeding 200,000 revolutions per minute and can reach temperatures of nearly 1,500 degrees Fahrenheit. If you shut the engine off while the turbo is still glowing red, the oil pump stops circulating and the stagnant oil trapped inside the turbococks or turns into solid carbon chunks due to the extreme heat. This carbon buildup acts like sandpaper the next time you start the car, eventually seizing the turbocharger's internal bearings. A turbo replacement is a high-precision repair that usually costs between $2,000 and $4,000. Spending just 60 seconds idling in your driveway after a long drive allows the oil and coolant to circulate and pull that lethal heat away from the bearings, potentially saving you thousands of dollars in scrap-level repairs. Mistake number 1, turning the wheels while parked. A subtle but damaging mistake made after parking is leaving the wheels turned at an extreme angle. While curbing your wheels is a safety requirement when parking on steep hills to prevent rollaways, but doing so on flat surfaces puts unnecessary, prolonged stress on the power steering system and suspension components. Leaving the wheels at full lock maintains high pressure in the power steering lines and can cause premature wear on the CV joints and rubber boots, which are stretched or compressed awkwardly for hours at a time. Additionally, exposed tire sidewalls are more vulnerable to accidental damage from passing traffic or debris. Unless the incline of the road necessitates it for safety, you should always straighten your wheels before shutting off the engine. This centers the steering rack, relieves tension on the tie rods, and ensures that when you restart the vehicle, the power steering pump isn't immediately under high load pressure to correct an extreme angle. At the end, I want to say that most cars do not end up in scrapyards because they were badly made. They end up there because of years of abuse, neglect, and bad driving habits. Treat your car with care, and it can last for hundreds of thousands of miles. Which of these are you most guilty of? Let me know in the comments section.